it's Balto the Husky and Nala the Lioness, and in my pond over there, I have like little Tupperware bins, and I want to put them in there and see if they could like go like sailing in my pond or something. So this is Balto's boat, and then Nala's boat is right there. So I'm gonna put them in. I don't want to like get it too close to the falling water right there, because then they might get wet. Also stuck, and so is Nala. But yeah. Over there's my cat. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there. So yeah. Okay. The pond hasn't like been cleaned in like a while, so yeah. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment and subscribe. Bye.